Now, that first one there is your car being built from scratch.
You don't have to do that. My mom will put in the scratches.
Now, Dennis.
You'll notice the entire process is done by computerized robot-like devices. Now I'll show you the generator that supplies all our electricity.
Boy, all those sparks could be dangerous. I better do something.
Wait! This door can't be opened from the inside!
Dennis, come back!
Maybe if I adjust these controls, I can make it safer.
Looks like we're stuck in here.
Maybe if I boost you up to that little window, you can get it open.
It's worth a try.
Okay, climb on up. I've got to get back to the showroom before I get killed.
Boy, looks like these robots need some working on.
Hurry up and open it.
I can't. It's stuck.
I really put my foot in my mouth when I made this sale.
Now I think I've got it.
Dennis! Dennis!
Try climbing out.
I can't. I'm stuck.
Hang on. I'll push you out.
I'm sure glad you're here, Mr. Merle. Something real funny's going on.
Oh, no!
First I hit these two buttons, but that didn't seem right, so I pressed these.
That's not where that belongs. That's not where any of it goes.
Maybe I should have pushed these two buttons at the same time.
This is a disaster. The plant's ruined. I'll be fired.
Gee, mister, it's bad for you to get so excited. You'll get all red in the face. Well, I was close. Thanks a lot, mister. We'll see you next year when the new models come out.
Next year. Oh.
Isn't it great, Dad? We're gonna have the only car in town that's purple and yellow with green polka dots.
Great, Dennis. Just great.